Because of AI coming in, how
very
important
important.
is to secure the rights.
Your take, Varun and Janvi.
See, technology I think does come with responsibility. It can be really helpful, but it can be really misused as well, right?
आखिर क्या कहा वरुण धवन ने अबाउट रांझना's क्लाइमैक्स चेंज? बीते कुछ दिनों में आनंद एल राय की फिल्म रांझना थी सुर्खियों में और वजह थी उसकी री रिलीज और उसका क्लाइमैक्स चेंज, जो दरअसल एआई के माध्यम से किया गया था। कई फिल्म मेकर्स और आर्टिस्ट्स ने इस चीज को कंडेम और फिल्म की ओरिजिनल स्टोरी में एआई से क्लाइमैक्स चेंज करना सही नहीं है, ऐसा उनका कहना था। तो वहीं जब से एआई आया है तब से फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में भी इस पर तरह तरह के ओपिनियंस आ रहे हैं। बात करें फिल्म रांझना की तो द एंडिंग ऑफ द मूवी रांझना वाज चेंज्ड फॉर अ री-रिलीज इन August 2025 यूजिंग AI, replacing the original tragic climax with a happy ending where the protagonist survives. The director and lead actor have strongly criticized the change, which was made about their consent by the production house, sparking a controversy about creative ownership and artistic integrity. ओरिजिनल फिल्म में धनुष जो कुंदन का किरदार निभा रहे हैं वो मर जाते हैं आफ्टर पॉलिटिकल रैली, लेकिन एआई जनरेटेड वर्जन में क्लाइमैक्स में कुंदन नहीं मरते हैं और वो इंसिडेंट सरवाइव कर लेते हैं। तो वहीं पर बात करें वरुण धवन की, जो आज नजर आए उनकी फिल्म सनी संस्कारी की तुलसी कुमारी के ट्रेलर लॉन्च पर। वरुण ने रांझना के इस एआई क्लाइमैक्स चेंज पर कहा,
Because of AI coming in, how
very
important is to
important.
secure the rights.
Your take, Varun and Janvi.
See, technology I think does come with responsibility. It can be really helpful, but it can be really misused as well. Right now we are all having fun with it, but it can. So I feel there will need to be some law and regulations surrounding it, especially so that at least actors and artists don't start getting misused. Their rights don't start getting misused, because we can reach a period where you don't need actors at all. Then you can just create. So I think actors have to come with an X factor to deliver. And if you have that X factor, then you have to safeguard it. So I believe you should safeguard it.
तो वहीं जानवी कपूर ने भी इस बारे में अपनी राय दी और कहा,
I mean, I think not just for actors, I think for every technician I've seen over the course of the last couple of months even, before when you get a narration or you'd come in for a meeting, it would take a lot of time before you see storyboards or you do physical look tests so you know what the zone of the film is, the character. But right now, in a second, they can show you an image of you being the character. They can show you exactly what the film is going to look like. They can do renders of... No, but more than misuse, my concern is that there's so many jobs that would have taken, I guess, X amount of more time to deliver these variables, these sketches, and maybe would have added something more personal. But right now, more people are, I guess, relying on the technological aspect of it, which I guess might be more financially, monetarily conducive. But I guess you can say I'm old-fashioned and I really want to preserve what a creative human being has to offer. I don't know, I don't know what the technicalities or the legalities of how to go about that is, but I know when I see even right now on social media how there are so many AI images against my will being circulated by mainstream media portals as legitimate images. And I think maybe me and you can tell that it's AI, but the common man will think, हाँ ये तो ये पहन के पहुंच गई, ये तो इसके, which is, so I don't know what the protocol is.
जो भी हो, बॉलीवुड एक्टर्स तो एआई के इस्तेमाल से ज्यादा खुश नहीं है और इस बात से वरुण धवन भी सहमत है। आपकी इस बारे में क्या राय है? कमेंट करके जरूर बताइएगा।